Our vision at Godalming is to be a successful, vibrant learning community. Our students really enjoy and thrive being part of our community, which has at its heart learning. Our culture of learning ensures that our students are best prepared for their assessments and their examinations. But not only this, we help our students to continuously reflect upon their approach to learning, guiding and supporting them with ways to become ever more effective learners. Godalming College is also unique in the variety of enrichment it offers its students. This enables students to gain a wide range of skills and experiences. This enrichment, alongside the breadth of subject offer, our specialist teachers, as well as the student guidance and support we provide, enables our students to develop the confidence and resilience and be best equipped for their next step, whether that be further or higher education, an apprenticeship, or the workplace. If you would like to find out more about Godalming College, please visit our website where you'll find out much more information about our subject choices, enrichment offer, student support and guidance. You can also attend one of our open evenings or tours, and I look forward to welcoming you to Godalming College.